Good morning, this is Tim McGowan for the Finance News Network. US equities were mixed in very quiet Tuesday trading after giving up some early gains. Stocks fell as the summer rally fizzled out amid mounting rate hike concerns as the 10-year Treasury yield climbed above 3%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.47%, the S&P 500 fell 0.22%, while the Nasdaq Composite closed flat. Both the Dow and the S&P 500 declined for a third straight session. Real estate, healthcare and communication services were the worst performing sectors in the S&P 500. Meanwhile, energy was the biggest winner in the broader market index, up 3.6% on the back of rising oil prices. Oil prices soared more than $3 a barrel on Tuesday after Saudi Arabia floated the idea of OPEC output cuts to support prices and with the prospect of a drop in US crude inventories. Across the sectors, best performing industries were copper, agriculture and fertiliser, coal, gold, aluminium and lithium companies. Lithium stocks like Lithium America and Livent rose 5% each, while FMC Corp and Albemarle were up in a weaker market. If the results of the ASX-based Pilbara Minerals is anything to go by, then 2022 is shaping up to be the year when the long-talked-about lithium boom has become very real and very profitable. Pilbara reported a full-year after-tax profit of $561 million for the 2021 to 2022 financial year, which was a 577% increase in sales revenue to approximately $1.2 billion. The company has a cash balance of $874 million on June 30. Shares in Pilbara Minerals closed 3.2% higher yesterday. In EV news, Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz has finalised agreements with Canada to secure access to key raw materials such as nickel, cobalt and lithium for battery production. Volkswagen's agreement is designed to shorten supply chains for its facilities in the US and to avoid any difficulties linked to tariffs and tax regulations. All of which has been driven by the extraordinary demand for EV vehicles and the geopolitical drive to secure non-Chinese sourced battery materials. China currently refines 73% of the world's cobalt, 68% of its nickel, 59% of its lithium and 40% of its copper, making it the dominant global player in refined strategic minerals. In after-hours trading, Zoom video shares slumped 16% after the video conferencing company lowered its full-year forecast. Nordstrom shares of the department store tumbled more than 12% in extended trading after the company slashed its financial forecast for the full year. Once again, we have a retailer with concerns about a glut of inventory that it must discount to move off its shelves. In currency news, one Australian dollar has strengthened compared to the US dollar, buying 69.3 US cents. On the commodity front, iron ore futures are pointing to a 2.4% gain. Gold gained 0.7% after 6 straight sessions of losses as the dollar and Treasury yields dropped following weak US business activity data. Silver was up 0.5% and copper gained 0.7%. On the ASX today, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.2% gain. This is Tim McGowan for Finance News. Have a good day.